Okay, this is just a short video, hopefully short, of a cold start of my Yamaha 3000 ISE generator inverter. Now the battery's dead, so I'm not even gonna, well, I'll try it, but it's not gonna start by the battery. Okay, so it took 3 pulls instead of the usual one, but it's on really old gas and it's sat at least 5 months without being started. Anyhow, runs good. It's on high revs right now, high idle. I'll cool it down to the low idle as soon as it's run for a minute, but I'm going to charge the batteries in the trailer, so that's what she'll be doing today, and put some fresh gas in it too. That's it for now.